might be wondering how I got into this squirrely situation. Well, it all started with me and my BattleBox gear.
It started off great. Fire was rolling, tea was hot, and I was feeling like a backwoods philosopher. Had all my BattleBox gear dialed in, my Zippo hand warmer fired up, hands nice and toasty. Then this squirrel, out of nowhere, drops in like it's performing a tactical breach. Lands right on my gear pile, hits the Rock Gator storage pouch, ricochets off my tool row, and I, being the composed outdoorsman I am, screamed and backflopped into the firewood. Minor damage, bruised knee, but the BattleBox first aid kit had everything I needed. Cleaned up, patched up, good to go. That night, I'm sitting by the fire and I hear something in the trees. I grab my clip light, click it on, and there he is. Same squirrel, just glaring at me. Now, I wasn't about to go full Rambo on a rodent, come on. But I had a Glow Rhino folding pocket blade just for Pro Plus members from BattleBox, just in case this turned into a hostage situation. Luckily, we negotiated a truce with a Cliff Bar and some mutual side-eye. Next morning, I reorganized everything with a roaring fire tool row, tools where they belong, sanity mostly restored. I lit my survival candle for a little warmth and calm before packing out. Not for survival, just for my feelings. So here I was, thought I was prepared for, bad weather, busted ankles, and maybe even bears. I just wasn't prepared for rodent Rambo. But with BattleBox gear, you can tame anything, even the wild. BattleBox 121, all the stuff I mentioned in this story is in this box. Click the link below to get yours.